What LinkedIn ad strategy your competition is using? Well, that's the topic of today's video. I'm going to show you the exact steps you can use to find that LinkedIn ad strategy. Before we jump into it, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's just jump right into this. So LinkedIn ad strategy that your competition is using, it can be very powerful, and obviously do not copy them, but use this to take notes and inspiration and ideas for your own LinkedIn ads campaigns, right? So what you want to do is go to LinkedIn. I'm already signed into my LinkedIn, and look for your competition. And let's say Dell is my competition. You know, it could be any company, but you want to go to their company page, not any personal profile. Go to their company page. This is the company page of Dell, and click on posts. And then if you look here, you see different types of content that they're posting: images, videos, articles, documents, and ads. So click on that, and here's the following ads may show up on your feed, and here are the ads from Dell Technologies. These are the ads that they are running. You can scroll through this and see what type of ads that they're running. Now, how do you learn from this? How do you take pointers or inspiration from this? So I'm going to point out a couple of things that I like to do. Number one is you want to pay attention to how many ads they're running and what type of campaign. This is a registration campaign. Here's a learn more. They're taking people to their website campaign. So you want to, number one is you want to look at what different types of campaigns that they're running. And now number two is, so let's look at this. So they're running a video campaign. Number two is I would look at their copy of the ad, and specifically what's the hook? What are they saying? What are they writing in their copy to capture their audience's attention, right? So for example, this one, you have a vision. Dell Technologies have a technology. So it looks like they are sort of speaking to the business owners. They want to work with them. And then looks like a brand awareness type of campaign, right? So that's the second thing. You want to look at the copy. You want to read a couple of ad campaigns. Here's another one. Help us drive the change in our planet. So obviously Earth Day, planet needs, that's their hook. That's their angle. Here's another one. Help customers work confidently from anywhere in the world, most secure. So they are focusing on the security and the PC that they're intelligent, right? That's the focus of this ad. So that's number two. Number three is I would look at the type of graphics. Sometimes I look at this and all they're doing is like video ads, right? So that gives me a hint. That tells me, what type of creative I can use. I can watch the video and then, take some notes. But looks like they're mixing it up. Here's the multi-image post. They're also using video. And do keep in mind, these campaigns could be for completely different things. They may have multiple sales, multiple campaigns going on. So if you wanna look at a specific one, you can do that as well. But Dell is a big brand. They have hundreds and thousands of ads running at the same time. So that was number one. Number one was the number of campaigns they're running. Number two was the copy. Number three was the creative. Are they using more videos or images, and also what type of videos they're using. Number four, this is really important. Click on their ad, and it's most likely going to take you to an external page, right here. And now this is where you can start to understand their funnel, their business funnel, their marketing funnel, their LinkedIn ads funnel, because then you can understand and see, okay, if people click on this ad, they're taking people here, and what's the next action they want their audience to perform? Are they capturing emails? Or looks like here, it's a direct sales type of campaign. They want people to buy the latitude, right? So this is I call this the direct sales campaign. So sometimes they want people's email addresses. Sometimes they want to make sales, like in this case. But that's how you can begin to understand their funnel, their strategy. Okay, show an ad on LinkedIn. When people click, they go to our landing page, and what do they want people to do on that landing page? You can begin to piece everything together. Let's pick another virtual workshop. Register today. So I bet they're capturing emails here. Look at this. They're not capturing emails, but it's a workshop that if I select the time frame, let's see what happens. Oh, the webinar is over. So we're looking at this ad campaign. The ad should be turned off then, right? We're looking at the ad campaign when it's probably like they're not actively promoting this. But most likely they did this to capture email addresses, right? So you see how you can see what campaign types they're running, what copy they're using, what type of images are working best for them or they're using. And also when you click on the ad, which I highly encourage, do click on the ads and then go to their landing pages and try to understand what do they want their customers or the traffic from LinkedIn to do. Because then you can see, when people click on this ad, they're capturing their email. So when people click on this ad, they're giving a free ebook. When people click on this ad, they are giving a free demo, right? So you can sort of take a lot of inspiration and notes for your own business, your own LinkedIn ad strategy. If you have any questions about LinkedIn ads, let me know in the comments below. But this is how you look at or find out the LinkedIn ad strategy that your competition is using. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.